But viewers, only a couple of minutes left for closing for the day as well as for the weekend. Let's see what our closing rates are looking like as of now. Pressure continues to persist on the Nifty 50. You have 24,970 thereabouts. So still slightly under the 25,000 mark for the Nifty 50. A 138 point cut coming in on an intraday basis. In fact, if you take a look at what Nifty has done over the course of the week, this would mark Nifty's third consecutive week of decline, mainly dragged by names like Axis Bank and HCL Technologies, major earnings candidates this time, two numbers that have majorly disappointed the street. But once again, if you take a look at our performance today, Sensex almost a 500 point cut, 0.6% lower and below that 82,000 mark. So failing hold on over there is the Sensex. Nifty Bank, a further cut is what we've seen, about 1% cut coming in. India makes a nominal spike up is what we've seen in today's trading session. The advanced decline ratio on the NSE remains in favor of the declines, and there's been no improvement. In fact, there's been a further slip towards the day's close. It's names like Wipro on the back of better than expected numbers in some metrics, Bajaj Finance, Tata Steel, ONGC, Nestle, Coal India, ICICI Bank that have continued to hold on to the green over the course of the day, even amid a largely consolidating market. On the flip side, pressure continues to persist for Axis Bank, almost 5.3% lower. Shriram Finance continues joins that list of losers along with BEL, HDFC Life, HDFC Bank closing 1.5% lower. All eyes are going to be on HDFC Bank's numbers tomorrow, along with that bonus issue announcement, as well as ICICI Bank for their numbers. Reliance and Reliance Rio later today are going to be in focus as well. So those two counters will also be in focus. Sectorally, if you take a look at our intraday performance, it's only metal and nominally IT that have managed to hold on to the green. Its losses have been led by PSU banks, FMCG, energy, pharma, auto and realty. Over the course of the week, however, the big winner continues to be Nifty Realty, PSU banks, auto, pharma, FMCG and metal, along with a slight gain on energy, and IT and Nifty banks continue to be the top losers of the week. So that's what the market picture has been over the course of the trading day as well as the course of the week. We have closed above that 25,000 level. We'll give that rate some time to settle, but looks like we've closed above 24,950 for now. Nonetheless, a 0.6% cut coming in on the Nifty 50. But with that, we'll wrap it up on this edition of Closing Trades. From Shrishti, me and the team that put this show together, thanks so much for tuning in.